Yeah, today we are going to talk about automation, and we'll use this stuff we've been using for a while. This song, All One.
I am more than one touch. Those things are not enough me.
So, telephone voice, but let's say we want to take the telephone voice on and off. So,
I am more than one touch. Those things are not enough me.
I just took it off there. So, let's say we need it in some words or whatever. We need to come on at some point and we need to come off at some point. So we need automation for that. And that's what we want to do. I'm alloneprostudio and this is alloneprostudio. I'm using FL20 in this video, but if you're using other versions of FL, you still get a lot from this video. I exported the voice and the instrumental from another project. This is the EQ with which I got the telephone voice. Don't know how to get that telephone voice, I did a video on that. I'll leave that video in the description of this video, and I'll leave it also in the video card. Let's jump into it. So automate, what I have to do, I have to just come to this dot here. This light I'm turning on and off is what I need to do here with this EQ. So I need to now come here to this place that's turning green and off. So I need to come there and I will right click and go to create automation clip. Okay, so the automation clip is created now. It's on. From what I've observed, now it is 100%. Look at it here, you can see the 100% at the top here. So it's on.
Believe what you want. Believe nothing against me.
Let me take down the beat a little.
Believe what you want. Believe nothing against me.
Okay, I did a little reverb and delay here just to make things nice. Let's go ahead. From what I've noticed, to off the telephone voice, I have to make sure this line goes 50% or below. You can look at the percentage here. Now this is 50%. I'm just going to take this up back. So once it's 50% or below, the EQ will turn off. Now let's look at it. Look at it, the EQ is turned off. Let me take it back to the 100% side, which is this side. Okay, it's not even 100%, it's 90 something right now, this part. But you see that the thing is turned on. Yeah, I take it all the way down. You see, the effect is turned off.
Things are nothing.
So let's hear it now.
Believe what you want. Believe nothing against me. I am more than one touch. Those things are nothing of me. I'm free to be the greatness of me. I'm free to be the.
So that's how to do it. You can use this for lots of things. Maybe you have effect here and you're thinking that you want to turn it on at one point and you want to turn it off at one point of the song. This is how to do it. Hope you've gotten a thing or two from this video. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we drop new videos. I'm alloneprostudio. This is alloneprostudio. That's it.
You see me small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to a narrow flight.